Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can download, install, and set up MySQL in Windows. So first, what you're gonna do is you need to go to your Chrome and search for MySQL, and then click on the installer, which is the 8.0 Now you're here, you can see that you need to choose the 8.0 version and then choose the Microsoft Windows. And there are two options, but I'm gonna choose the first one. And then I'm just gonna click on this no thanks, just start my download. And you can just click on the installer and it should install. Okay, just wait for it. Now you're here, there are 4 options, but we're just gonna choose the custom one. Click next. And then what you're gonna do is you need to click on the plus icon, click on the plus icon again and again, and you need to choose the first option, which is the 8.0, and click on the arrow. And you can click on the applications and click on the plus icon beside it. Alright, go to Workbench and then the plus icon again and choose the first one. After that, you can just move it with the arrow key. Okay, so there are 2 products to be installed and you can just click next and execute. And you can just wait a few minutes for this. Okay, so it is downloaded now and you can just click next and just click execute if you want to install it. Alright, so it is now installed and you can just click next again, next, and next. Just let this one be, next, and choose the first option, which is the recommended one. And then you can set up your password here. I'm just gonna quickly set up my password. Alright, and click next, next, and next. And this will take a few seconds, you can just wait for it. Okay, so now it is done and you can click finish, next, and click finish. Alright, so here's your SQL and you can click on your connection and type in your password that you made before. Click OK, and there you go. So now you know how to set up your SQL. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.